Hello viewers, I am Piyash. Thanks for watching my videos and supporting me. But I need more subscribers so that I can give you more quick novel dishes that can be prepared easily. Now I am going to start my quick cheesy milk corn pasta snacks today, as lots of my friends thinks that making pasta is a long processing job. First boiling, then preparing the creamy sauce, then mix them and freezing them and da. But today I am giving you a very easy no-oil recipe which can be cooked just like that. So let's start. The ingredients are pasta. You can choose of your type, any type of yours, and then corn and cheese. As you can see, some cheddar cheese and normal cheese, whatever you have in your kitchen, just use them. Or if you are a sim goat team or diet conscious person, then just keep that one. Okay, and now it is milk, which is it is 1 cup, but I am gonna to use it half a cup almost. Some ketchups or tomato sauce, whatever you have. Oregano, but I don't have oregano right now, so I am using pasta mix which have also oreganos. And some salt and some cutted tomatoes. You have if you have some capsicums in your home, then please use them if you like them. And also you can use the chicken if your kids like that as a non-veg dish. Okay, and not least last and not the least, it is corn. Okay, you can see the golden corns. Thank you. Now start. What I have to do first, I am going this pasta. I have this pasta at my house. You can use anything. So for demo, I am giving this pastas also. I am showing you this pastas also. And then just add everything like corn, few salt, the ketchup, the tomatoes. You can see the colors, it's very vibrant color, and the taste will be also good. And I am giving the raw pastas here without boiling it or anything, so I don't think it. And now this is a milk. Milk is, I am using 1 cup. Here is 1 cup milk, but I am using half cup of them. You can see that. Yeah, only half cup, but 1 more minute. Yeah, I think I have to use 1 cup also. Yeah, I have poured all the milks and just mix them well. Properly. And now take it to the microwave oven. Okay. Now cover it. Take the vaporizer button up, otherwise it can. Now set the micro mode. 900, it is showing 900. If your microwave is less than 900, you can give it less or more. And now I am going to set it for 10 minutes. Okay, you can see that 10 minutes. Start. Now as you can see that I have set a timer of 10, and now it's 5:20 minutes, almost in the middle. So what I have to do, I have to bring the pasta outside and just check whether it is done or not. I am using a 90 or 100 grams like pasta, and that's why I am using 1 cup of milk. So now I have to stop. Now I am going to very careful because it's very hot right now. So let's check if the pasta is already done or not. Just check it. Yes, it's the macaroni is done. It's very tender. And let's check the spiral ones. No, I think it need to prepare for a few more times, for a few more minutes. So now what I have to do, I have to give this some more milk in it, and then my cheese, yes, and the layer of more cheese. My kid loves to eat cheese, lots of lots, so that's why, but you can skip the cheese part, it's very cheesy here. So now again put it in the microwave and start. Now as you can see that it's remaining more 20 seconds, and what I have to do after, and just please check in between, because everyone's microwave is working differently. So check every 2 minutes or 3 minutes, after 5 minutes, that your pasta will ready or not. Now what I have to do, I just open the microwave, and now I am taking it out. Yeah, I think it has a beautiful color, and you can see the cheese and my macaronis or pasta, all the pastas are done. You can see they are very tender, and now you can see the cheese over here. So I think my creamy milky pasta is ready, and what you have to do, only serve it hot or cold, whatever you like, but I think it's a cheese, so you can serve it hot. But if you want to serve it cold, then escape the cheesy portion and use more milks, and just serve it. And you can see there is no need of boiling or no need of put it in the oil or like that. Okay, thank you friends, wait for my next video and subscribe.